Today we are going to start looking at systems of linear equations. And what this is when you are looking at two or more sets of linear equations and you are considering them together. So today how we're going to consider them is Juanita wants to go to the fair and she wants to see which is cheaper or which is a better deal. So she's going to set up two linear equations, and you can see that I have them set up, one for the Morgan County Fair and one for the Laramie County Fair. And then we're going to look at these, look at their tables, their graphs, and their equations, and we're going to figure out which is a better deal looking at the different data. So let's take a look at the question. During the summer, county fairs are held all over the country. People from around the country attend fairs to play carnival games and listen to music. Some people raise animals such as pigs that they take to fairs to show and be judged. Today you will use several of the skills you have learned in this course to solve problems in which two factors in a relationship are compared. It is almost time for the county fair. Juanita is looking forward to seeing the animals and enjoying the rides at the carnival on the fairgrounds. She lives near 3 different county fairs and has to decide which fair she will attend. So today we're going to look at 2. The first one we're going to look at is the Morgan County Fair. This charges $10 to get in the gate, and then there is an additional charge of $3 per ride. So the gate fee, this is what you pay. This is the plus or minus. No matter what, it's going to cost you $10 to get into the gate. And then the $3 per ride is what you are multiplying. The Laramie County Fair charges $15 to get in the gate, but then only $2 per ride. Juanita cannot decide which of the two fairs would be cheaper. Help her answer this question by completing the tables on the lesson resource page and drawing the graph for the cost of each fare. Please see the next page. So please turn your page, and page 2 is the resource page. So at the top of the resource page, I have put the equation in for the Morgan County Fair. So it's $10 to get in the gate and then $3 per ride. So if she rides 0 rides, it will be $10, or the cost will be $10. If she rides 1 ride, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 10 is 13. If she rides 2 rides, that would be 16, because 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 3 is 9 plus 10 is 19. And 4 times, that should be a 9. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 10 is 22. And 5 times 3 is 15 plus 10 is 25. And 6 times 3 is 18 plus 10 is 28. And now we're going to do the same thing for the Laramie County Fair, but this time we're using this equation because it costs $15 to get into the gate and then $2 per ride. So if she rides 0 rides, it will cost $15. And 1 times 2 is 2 plus 15 is 17. And 2 times 2 is 4 plus 15 is 19. And 3 times 2 is 6 plus 15 is 21. And 4 times 8 2 times 4 is 8 plus 15 is 23. And 5 times 2 is 10 plus 15 is 25. And 6 times 2 is 12 plus 15 is 27. So the next thing we're going to do is graph our 2 lines. I am going to pause the video and go ahead and graph my 2 lines. You can do the same thing, and then we'll turn the videos back on. So you can see that for the Morgan County Fair, I drew the blue line. and it crosses the y-intercept at 10 because that is how much it costs to get into the gate, $10. The slope of the line is 3 because it's $3 per ride. And you can see that originally the Morgan County Fair is cheaper because it costs less to get in, although the rides cost more. Then I drew the Laramie County Fair, and that one costs $15 to get in, but the rides are only $2 per ride. So you can tell at a certain point, although it is initially more expensive, at one point it starts to become cheaper than the Morgantown or the Morgan County Fair. So let's take a look at where that spot is. The spot is at 5 rides, costs $25, and you can see it on the table, both tables, and you can also see it in the graph. And this is the point where the fares cost the same amount of money. So if Juanita wants to ride 5 rides, she can choose either fare because they cost the same amount. If she wants to ride 4 or less, she'll want to go to the Morgan County Fair, and if she wants to ride 6 or more, she'll want to go to the Laramie County Fair. There's one other way with system of equations that we can check this out. And we can set up the two equations equal to each other. So I can write 3x plus 10 equals 2x plus 15. And then I use my algebra skills, so I'm going to move my x's first. I hope you remember how to solve two-step equations. So I'm left with 1x plus 10 equals 15. I subtract 10 from both sides, and we see that x equals 5. So at 5 rides, both of these fares cost the same amount. And then to figure out how much money that would cost, you would simply substitute the 5 in for the x, and that will give you the cost, the total cost of rides. So take a minute, check your work, and let's move on to the next page. So now we will answer some questions. Once Juanita estimated the number of rides she wanted to take, she realized that it did not matter which county fair she attended because the cost would be the same. How many rides does she plan to ride? And how is this shown on the graph? Well, she plans to ride 5 rides, and this is shown on the x-axis, or rides are along the x-axis. And how much does she plan to pay? She will pay $25, and this is shown on the y-axis. And when we know that the number of rides are the same, that is where the lines will intersect or cross. How does the cost of the, and this should be 2 fares, so you can change that to 2 fares, 2 county fairs, compare? Look at the graph in the table to answer the following questions. So which county fair costs the most per ride? How is this shown on the graph? Well, the Morgan County Fair costs $3 per ride, or 3x. And the Morgan County Fair has the steepest slope. And that's how we know that that is the most expensive per ride. Which county fair has the highest entry fee? And how is this shown on the graph? The Laramie County Fair has the highest entry fee at $15, and this is shown as the y-intercept. So it has the highest or the tallest y-intercept. For how many rides do the Morgan County Fair and the Laramie County Fair cost the same total amount of money? How can you see this on the graph, and how can you see that on the table? The 5 rides will cost $25. This is where the lines intersect on the graph, and on the table the x's both equal 5 and the y's both equal 25. Juanita wants to ride 3 rides. Which fare is cheaper? In that case, the Morgan County Fair will be cheaper because 3 rides only cost $19, and for the Laramie County Fair, 3 rides would cost $21. If she wants to ride 6 rides, the Laramie County Fair is cheaper because 6 rides cost $27, and for the Morgan County Fair, 6 rides would cost $28. So hopefully this is helping you to see what system of equations are. So it's when we look at two equations and we want to compare them. In this case, we wanted to see which fare was the better buy. And you can do this by looking at the tables and seeing where they match with both the x and the y values. You can also look on the graph and look at where the lines intersect. And the third way you can do this is you can set up the equations to equal each other and then solve for x. And that is the third way. At this time, I'm going to stop, but please go on and finish number 66 on the next page and then submit this to the assignment. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.